Hi, everyone. I'm Anthony Vaccaro, publisher of the Northern Miner Group, and we are getting geared up for our next Investors Corner presentation. We're going to be doing it with Equity Metals, and that's going to be on June 16th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's one you're going to be sure to tune into. One of the things I really like about Equity Metals is that a very strong, experienced management team, always a key criteria when people are screening for companies to really pay attention to. They're also in a very well-known jurisdiction in BC with their Silver Queen project. They have a precious metals bias polymetallic vein there, and it has past production. Of course, you get that nice low political risk factor as well. So here to tell us a little bit more, we have Joe Kizis. He's president and director of Equity Metals. Joe, why don't you tell our viewers why they need to tune in on the 16th?
All right, great. Thank you, Anthony. Appreciate the opportunity. So we're part of the Mannix Group, and we basically took over a company in late 2019 that had a very interesting project. The biggest asset, or the main asset that we saw in the portfolio, was the Silver Queen project in west central British Columbia. That's an area of porphyry mineralization. A number of the major and mid-tier mining companies have large land positions surrounding us, so it's a good place to be. Our group has done quite a bit of work in the Golden Triangle, and fabulous deposits there. We're getting similar grades, but you can drive to this project in about 40 minutes from the nearest town. There's a road that goes, a good forest gravel road that goes through the western part of the property. There's a power line that goes through, so a number of really attractive features. One of the features that was really prominent for us was the fact that the group that had it previously was trying to produce a very small underground mining operation, and market just wasn't buying it, so they were having some difficulty. We took a look at it. They had a really nice resource. It was about 440,000 ounces of gold equivalent. That included not only gold, but silver, copper, lead, and zinc, primarily precious metal producing the value there. The grade was good, it was around 8 grams, about half of it indicated, half of it inferred. But what we saw is that we thought we could expand the mineralization that's already part of the resource, and we thought we could add additional resources. There's about 20 veins on the project. We focused our initial drilling. So far, we've had 3 rounds of drilling since we took over the project. We drilled 31 holes, just under 10,000 meters, and we focused on 2 of the vein targets. We've done a bit of work on 2 others. So out of the 20 that have been identified, we've had very good results. We've had bonanza grades over narrow zones within envelopes of mineable widths with mineable grades. So we're quite excited. When we took over the project, we did a financing at 5 cents. We're now trading at around 25 cents. Gives us a market cap of about $17 million, something in that range. So, we think there's still a dramatic ability for upside potential on the project. And we're very excited to start drilling again this fall. Right now, we're between drilling projects. We're just doing the permitting for a number of new areas that we're going to test, and that begins sometime this fall.
Excellent stuff, Joe. Well, Northern Miner audience, as you know, loves a good drill story. So with 15,000 meters, I believe you guys have planned for this year. Be some great news flow there to watch for. And Joe we should mention, Joe, you're going to be joined by Robert Macdonald, who's the Vice President of Exploration. So be able to do a really deep dive on the geology. And I know our viewers will have lots of smart questions for you and Robert. So everyone, mark it on your calendar, June 16th, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Joe, we'll look forward to speaking with you at greater length and at more depth then. Take care.
Thank you.